In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a voiceover to your Canva presentation step by step. Adding a voiceover can really enhance your presentation, making it more engaging and informative. You'll be pleased to know it's a simple process that you can follow along with ease. So let's dive right in and transform your Canva presentations with these easy steps. First, you'll want to open up your Canva project where you have your presentation set up. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand sidebar where you will see various options like templates, elements, and so forth. What you're going to do here is click on the Uploads tab in this sidebar. This is where you can upload media files directly into your Canva project, making it super convenient to work with different types of content. Now, after you've clicked on Uploads, the next step is to hit the Upload Files button that appears. Once you do that, your computer's file explorer will pop up, allowing you to select the audio file that you have prepared for your voiceover. Navigate through your folders and select the appropriate file to upload. It's a good idea to have your audio file saved in a location that's easy to find, so this step goes smoothly without any hiccups. Once your audio file is uploaded, you'll find it within the Upload section. The next thing you'll need to do is click on Audio, which you'll also find on the left-hand panel. Canva has organized all audio files here for easy access. From here you should be able to see your audio file that you uploaded a moment ago. Now the final step is nice and straightforward. You're going to drag and drop your audio file onto your presentation. Yes, it's that simple. Just click on the audio file and drag it over to your presentation canvas. You should see an option to add the audio to the slide you are working on. Drop it there and your voiceover should be attached seamlessly. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've added a voiceover to your Canva presentation. This added layer of narration can really make your presentation stand out and help convey your message with greater clarity. Remember that you can repeat this process to add different voiceovers to multiple slides should your presentation need it. So, give it a try in your next Canva project and see how much more dynamic and engaging your presentations can become. Thanks for watching and happy designing.